The Air Jordan 12 Obsidian holds a special and unusual place in Jordan brand history. Unlike other original Air Jordan 12 colorways, this pair was never worn by Michael Jordan in an official NBA game. Instead of being tied to legendary on-court moments, its legacy is built on rarity, mystery, and long-standing curiosity among sneaker fans. The design still delivers the premium craftsmanship the Air Jordan 12 is known for. It features rich obsidian blue leather on the upper, balanced by clean white mudguards that create a sharp contrast. The stitched paneling draws inspiration from the Japanese rising sun concept, a key design theme of the Air Jordan 12, giving the shoe a refined and luxurious look. After staying unreleased for 15 years, the Air Jordan 12 Obsidian finally returned in 2012. Today, it remains a highly sought-after sneaker, mostly found on resale platforms, and is widely considered one of the most unconventional original Jordan releases ever.